Hello and welcome back to Ottershaw Cacti. I'm Lottie, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to propagate your Aeoniums. Aeoniums are your tree-like succulents, native to the Canary Islands and part of North Africa. Unlike most succulents, they prefer cooler temperatures and go dormant during the summer. That makes them super unique and yes, very easy to propagate. The best time to propagate your Aeoniums is during the growing season. Now, this is the Aeonium that I am propagating, and as you can see, it is a bit leggy. So I'm going to propagate this one because it's leggy, but you can also propagate if there's too many heads that you want to get rid of, if they're leggy, or if you just want to refresh. Okay, let's start with stem cuttings. First, grab your secateurs, and then snip a rosette from the top of the plant, leaving at least 2 to 3 inches of stem. Next, let the cutting dry in a shaded, airy spot for 5 days. This allows the end to callus over, helping to prevent rot. You can leave it for over 5 days, it just then might grow some roots, but this is okay. Now, this is the magic of succulents. Where you've snipped off one of the heads, if cut in the fleshier part of the stem rather than the woodier part of the stem, you may get a new ring of heads form on the top of the stem as well as the head that you have cut off. So double the amount of plants. Once calloused over, plant the Aeonium into free draining compost and only water after a few days in case, if it did have roots, they snapped in the potting process. Roots will typically form in 2 to 4 weeks. You'll know it's working when you see new leaves forming from the centre of the rosette. Keep your propagated Aeoniums in bright, indirect sunlight, and once it starts to come up on a stem, only water it when the soil is completely dry. And that's it. In just a couple of weeks, you'll have a whole new plant. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more succulent tips, and comment if you've tried propagating Aeoniums before.